What's wrong with him?
We've been hunting Thanos for 3 weeks now. Deep space scans and satellites, and we got nothing.
He used the stones again.
Hey.
Use them to bring everyone back.
Just like that.
Yeah, just like that.
If we do this, how do we know it's gonna end any differently than it did before?
Because before you didn't have me.
Hey, new girl. Everybody in this room is about that superhero life.
I like this one.
Stones, get them back. 1 round trip each. No mistakes. No do-overs. Most of us are going somewhere we know. That doesn't mean we should know what to expect. Be careful. Look out for each other. This is the fight of our lives. And we're gonna win. Whatever it takes. Good luck.
He's pretty good at that.
Right?
All right.